to be starting this look off with my whole short stiletto shape nails. I got these nails from Amazon, and I will make sure that the link is in the description box below so that you guys can order if you choose to. They are not really a stiletto shape. If you wanted them to be stiletto, you would need to file them a little bit more pointed. They are more of an almond shape in my opinion, but I absolutely love almond shape. That's been one of my favorite shapes for years now. I noticed that Beyonce always wears an almond shape on her nails, and they always look very beautiful and very natural. So I'm going to go ahead and apply these whole nails to my makeshift hand. So I'm using kitchen skewers and Loctite, but you can use whatever you choose. This fits very easily into my very small UV lamp, and it's super cheap, and it's just materials that I already had in my house, in my kitchen. So it works for me. Now, I am cutting these nails into a square tapered shape. So because the nails are already almond shape, cutting them off automatically creates a square taper shape without much filing. I have been watching a lot of beauty and hair channels here on YouTube lately, and ultimately that is what inspired me to do this natural short nude nail, just to give a very clean look. It gives off great fall vibes, and they're very user friendly. So we all know that incredibly long nails look great, but they're not so fun when it's time to clean the house or do your hair, or, you know, just keeping up with daily tasks can be a pain if your nails are incredibly long or blinged out. So I just wanted a nice, clean, natural look, especially to film some morning routine and skincare routine videos for you guys. So now that I have cut the nails to the length that I want, I am just buffing the top of each individual nail and then filing the ends of the nail just to make sure that the area that I cut is super clean and straight across the ends of the nails, because no one wants an angled nail unless that were the look we were going for, which in this case we're not going for that look. So we want everything to be nice, sharp, and clean. And then I actually almost forgot, but with these whole nails, you have to go back and file around the area that goes near your cuticle, because sometimes there's an excess tab of plastic there that does not fit well at your cuticle and does not look natural. So you want to make sure that you file that off and the nails really fit your own nail bed as best as possible. That's what ultimately makes these nails look so natural, because they don't have any acrylic on them. We're simply doing the nail with gel polish on top, so they look super natural. If you can get the shape of the base of the nail to be the same as your natural nail bed. Also, that helps the press-ons to last longer once you put them on. All right, and once all of the filing is done, you do want to wipe off any excess that's left on the nail so that we get a nice smooth polish. So I'm skipping over the base coat and I'm going straight in with the color coat. I found that it's not absolutely necessary to have a base coat when you are making the press-on nail sets. So I'm using this beautiful nude color. I also purchased this color from Amazon. It was not part of the Sally Hansen kit that I am using, so I will make sure that this color set that I ordered is linked in the description box below. Like I said, it was a set, so it was not just this nude individually, but it is an amazing set for fall. So it has a beautiful candy apple red, it has this nude, a gray, an army green, a black, and a white. And I think that those are the most basic nail polish colors that you can get and have a full set of colors for spring and summer and a full set of colors for fall and winter. I actually chose that color set because I wanted to try out some different things with holographic powders and chrome powders. And of course, you guys know that you have to have a black polish and a white polish to really fully experience those holographic and chrome powder colors. I still have not experimented with those yet, but be on the lookout for those videos. So make sure you are subscribed and you click the post notification bell so that you are the first to know when I drop those videos, especially if you guys are enjoying these nail tutorial videos. Okay, so after I do one coat of the nude polish, I'm going in with a second coat of the nude polish. And my greatest tip for doing this gel polish, whether you're doing it on your natural nails or making a press-on set of nails, is to make sure that each coat is a thin, even coat of polish. I cannot express that enough, especially if you are using this Sally Hansen kit that I am using. The UV light is very small, and you really want to cure the polish 100%. And if you are putting globs of polish, it's not going to look flawless, number one, and it's not going to cure well. So thin, even coats. And then you can always go back and put as many coats as you want until you get the color that you want. So far, I have not used a color where I've needed more than 2 coats. And of course, you can always add extra coats to make the nail stronger as well. So I made a set of these for my sister, and she did say that the nails were, like, she could bend the nails very easily. I personally like my press-ons fairly thin because I think it gives more of a natural look, and I'm kind of used to that because my natural nails are thin, so I know how to handle them, I guess you could say. But for hers, before I make her another set, I am going to, or when I make her another set, I am going to be sure to add extra coats of the polish, and that will make the polish thicker and make the nail more durable. So you can always add more coats of polish for durability or for a more intensified pigment. Lastly, I am going to go over this set with a top coat. I have experimented and discovered that they just do not look the same if you skip the top coat. I tried it before with the set that I did stones on when I made the red nails. If you have not seen those, make sure you check out that video. I will link it in the description box below. They were bomb, y'all, when I did the red nail with the gold stones. But not doing a top coat on those did not work out well. So don't skip the top coat. If you skip the base coat, make sure you don't skip the top coat. And then, of course, you have to use alcohol to get the residue off of this particular polish. Apparently, there are some UV gel polishes that are no wipe or no residue. But for these ones that I am using and that I'm linking in the description box below, you have to use alcohol to make sure that they are clean. All right, y'all, these are the final results. So they look absolutely amazing. They far exceeded my expectations. They are not super fancy. So that's exactly what I wanted. Something short and nude and very, very natural, giving amazing fall vibes. And I cannot wait to wear these press-on nails, especially in the videos that I have planned for you guys. Once again, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and click the bell to turn on your post notifications so you will get a notification for those videos. Now, let's try these things on and see what they are looking like. So I finally got the nails on and they look absolutely amazing. In the meantime, in between time of me making the nails and actually applying them, I sliced my index finger on my left hand wide open. I finally got the bleeding to stop so that I could put these nails on and show you guys what the final look is like. And I love them. I will see you guys in the next video.